Hey, welcome back. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host. It's Paul Motley here, and I don't know if you can hear this, but I am right by the ocean, so you might be able to hear the waves slowly lash up as I record this. But yeah, it's Thursday. It's the 26th of November. Lots of posts on Facebook right now about Thanksgiving from our American friends, and I think it is a good time to be thankful for what we've got in front of us. We have, in the majority of cases, if you have your health, you have a family, you have a business, the future, believe it or not, I feel looks really bright. 2020 has been a bit of a dodgy one for a lot of people for a lot of reasons, but personally, in my business, it's been the best year ever. And it's crazy because the reason why is because a lot of the stuff that I do is online, right? And more people have had to readjust and, kind of like adapt to their working situation, what they're doing with their lives. And a lot of things have become more focused on working from home and all that sort of stuff. And believe it or not, more and more people are opening their minds to the fact that you can actually earn money online. It's a crazy thing because before, if you said to somebody that, they ask you what you do and you said, oh, I make money online, they kind of look at you a bit funny. And those people which do actually make money online, they'll, if they say, oh, how do you make money online? And let's say, for example, you do like network marketing, then they might look at you a bit funny. But then the network marketers out there, if they ask you what sort of business you're in and you say, oh, I trade Forex, then they'll look at you a bit funny. Do you know what I mean? It's kind of like a really weird thing that's going on. And I'm not saying that I do network marketing. I do a bit of Forex, but that's completely separate to what I do business. I don't promote it that way. I just use it as a side hustle from my side hustle. Does that make sense? I don't know if it does or not. But what I wanted to say to you really was that there's lots of opportunities out there. There's so many different ways that you can apply yourself and, really push your passion and generate income online. And 2020 has been one of those years where a lot of people have realized that they're not just have to be stuck behind a desk 9 to 5. They can do something different. They can make something happen. And I've seen it with so many different people as well. There's a typical example, guy I know online is called Thomas, right? And he started doing YouTube videos this year and really committed to it. And now he's got over 40,000 subscribers. He started making money through doing the actual videos themselves, getting paid by YouTube, which is great. Obviously, he's been able to do affiliate commissions from it as well. Another guy, Jonathan Montoya, same principle, same thing. He started doing it and he really worked hard as well. He worked hard by putting out a video every single day, much like what I'm doing with the podcast every day. And we're quickly coming up to like 200 episodes, and it does take an effort. It does take dedication and consistency, and you do have to put something behind it. But when you're actually doing these things, and I see a lot of things as well out there right now with people doing challenges where they're doing like this 75 days hard, for example, or they might commit to doing a post every day for 30 days or going live every day for 30 days or whatever it is. There's so many people out there now more open to it, and because they do that, they do see some rewards from it. And I'm even seeing that in a couple of other groups that I'm in. We're talking about like doing reviews of softwares like on Munchai and Warrior Plus and JVZoo and all that sort of thing. To begin with, if you keep doing them each day, when you start off, you're probably getting practically no views, no engagement, not making any sales. But if you stick with it for a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, even 6 months, if you can still stay consistent and carve out the time to do that instead of sitting there watching soaps or moaning or complaining about your life and it's not going anywhere, you can take action and you can actually make something happen for yourself. And that's the key thing, because no one out there is going to do it for you. It all starts with you and it ends with you as well. Right, so I'm going to finish off Black Friday tomorrow. There's a bunch of stuff out there right now where you can get your hands on it for dirt cheap. So make sure you check out the deals, because there's a good chance there's something out there which might work out really good for you. So I'm going to leave it on that one, and I'll catch up with you guys later.